Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another stream. We're looking at the Nasdaq right now for potential short opportunities. It looks like looking at the TEM MACD, we could definitely look for shorting opportunities here. Market opens right now. Oh man, see, what I need to do is get my level 2. I need to get Ninja Trader and I need to get Ninja Trader. I need to get my level 2 on that because it's a very useful tool if you know how to read a level 2. It's basically an edge. Okay, divergence is forming up. Right now, it looks a little choppy pre-market, coming off pre-market. So I don't know. I'm not looking to go anything to be aggressive today. If that makes sense. Alright, so we're pushing up on the Nasdaq and Dow Jones. Market looks like it wants to go up. Makes sense. I wouldn't be surprised if we go up today because it may look like price action may want to go up. But as of yet, no entries. All right. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, usually on Mondays, I'm not really wanting to be aggressive. Coming from Sunday night. Okay, we're seeing a collapse there. Alright, so, huh. And now we're seeing collapse right now. Yeah, I mean, I could have entered right there, but I mean, price action was so low, the stop loss was going to be so tight that it was a Monday. So I mean, I'm not really looking for an opportunity like that. Just something very tight. Dow Jones looks like it's trying to come up, and Nasdaq's trying to come down. So we'll see about that. But I mean, to be honest, I'm not really looking for anything too specific today. It's a Monday. You know, I'm not really looking forward to trading a lot today, to be honest. I have a lot of stuff to do anyways, so you know, if I see an opportunity, really good opportunity, I'll take it. But other than that, I mean, you know, I feel like there's no point in being aggressive. We're in a hot market, so you know, I could definitely make money in this type of market very easily. Yeah, it's just literally the exact opposite thing. Dow Jones is coming up, and then Nasdaq is just shooting down. So we're finding like that correlation there. Huh? Yeah, I mean, no interest for me, honestly. We'll have to wait once the volatility dies out in 15, 20 minutes. And probably then I could see an opportunity there if it shows up. But look at that same level. Like, I want you guys to look at that same level. That's the way I was I was looking to trade it, but I mean, with that tight stop loss for collapsing EMA entry, it was just so tight that, I didn't feel like trying to lose something having a tight stop loss like that on Monday. But look at that same freaking level. Like, I want you guys to look at that. How it respects that level. Yeah, I have so much fibs here. But I want you guys to look at that level. Like how clean that is. Same level. Wow, price action is falling now. Unfortunate. Looks like Dow is much more stronger today, so if you're looking to short something, Dow would be, something to be careful with. Unless we see the momentum kind of shift back to Dow Jones. Which you'll see that once you see the candlesticks being much more bigger and faster. But I want you guys to look at that. Like, look at that clean level. Shorted on like Friday morning or Friday night. I mean, I think, it was Thursday night I shorted this. Then on Friday morning, shorted that. Look how clean that level is. It's not only an order block, but it's also a Fibonacci level. And it's also coming off 30-minute 50 EMA, as you can see there. So you can see those confluences, right? It's just so much confluence. It's so easy to trade something like that. Okay, Dow has divergence now. It's going up to the 50-minute 800 EMA. So maybe we'll see kind of a shift. Yeah, I don't see anything here now. 66 points. So we had some moves with the Forex. Yeah, I mean, if you miss the move on the market open, it's pretty much gonna not give you an entry until like 15-20 minutes later because of the volatility. Looks like GJ kind of made a move toward the upside. My entry on GJ, look at that entry, guys. That was such a clean entry, clean swing trade off my systems. 4 execution R, exactly to that order block zone, and then comes all the way back up. It does not get any better than that. It's just fucking clean right there. Exactly what the system does. Yeah, look at that fucking volatility, dude. Holy crap. 84 points, 0.5% within just a couple of minutes. Okay. Shit. Alright, I'm looking at Dow now. Because I missed the move. Dow's a little bit choppy, honestly, but toward the downside, so I'll be careful with that if I'm trying to take a short. Oh, but I'm seeing that right now. Alright, look. Let's see what we do here. Yeah, we have divergence also on Dow. It's not coming off a very strict level, unless you could say off the 200 on the 30-minute. It's coming off an order block on the 4-hour chart as well, from what I see here. Yeah, some prior resistance on the top right there. Huh. Dude, look at NASDAQ. Man, just makes me regret not taking that entry. You have to be fast, and especially off the market open whenever you're seeing, literally like in the last couple of 2 weeks, you've been seeing those insane opportunities off the market open. Why just, you can't miss out on that. Okay, that's money right there, easy money. Look at that volatility toward the downside. Oh my god. How much is that? Like 100 points, guys. Almost 0.80%. You can't miss out on moves on that like magnitude or whatever. Like that's insane. Honestly. Like a full percent almost. And then taking it down toward this level right over here. Man. Yeah, maybe we'll see a retest and then a continuation. If we see a retest to a specific mean reversion EMA, then maybe we could take it short. But wow, look at that volatility, dude. It's that same fucking level as well. Shoots that level, comes back down. Like a sniper entry right there. Yeah, so right now I'll be looking for shorts right now on Dow, as I'm seeing more weakness come in. TD and MACD are okay, not the best. Yeah, that entry is too good. Man, I need to get a good Spotify playlist. Yeah, I'm still looking for shorts. It's 3 hour. Yeah, as of right now, I need more weakness right now. I'm not seeing that weakness on Dow. That's why I'd be making more money with Nasdaq. Literally, most of my entries the last couple of weeks have been on Nasdaq, and I'd be making a killing with that. Yeah, I mean Dow looks just so much stronger right now. I mean, it's just if you take your short on that, I mean, it's probably gonna be turn out to a false breakout unless we see more weakness. So I don't know. I mean, there's a reason why I've been trading Nasdaq only, because it's the primary instrument that I've been trading for such a long time. Same with Dow, but more with Nasdaq, and I have a really good edge in that specific instrument. Mm. I'd say in that zone. Yeah. Okay, Dallas looks like it's trying to top up right now. All right. Let's see what we do here on Dow. I'm telling you guys, like you gotta be careful with Dow. You don't want to trade something that's much more weaker compared to another instrument. That's how you lose money easily. That's from experience. Unless you see that shift back toward the momentum shift back for the momentum, like being more bearish and stuff. But I'm not seeing that. So that's interesting how Dow is up. Nasdaq is down 1.3%. S&P is down 0.5%. Dow is literally at break even right now. Russell's down about almost 1%. Yeah, it's quite interesting. Devon is about 3.4%, which is an industrial index, so industrial stock, so makes sense. What's up? Walmart's at break even. VIX is up about 5%. Tesla's about 3.12%, which is interesting. McDonald's 0.5%. Boeing. I mean, it's still. We'll see. So we got some stocks up right now. Intel about 0.5%. Dow at break even. Yeah, now Nasdaq. I mean, now I'm seeing more momentum push on the upside on Dow. So I mean, I don't know. Well, I just have to see if it starts weakening. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I missed that entry. It was my fault, but I mean, like I said before, I wasn't really wanting to take a really tight entry on a Monday. Maybe I should have just risked about 0.25%. Interesting. Huh. Sex. Wow, that's insane. My swing trade entry on my system went 6R, 7R actually. It's the one where the stupid E8 closed it out. I knew that was gonna come down. It's just I knew that shit was gonna happen. All right. I mean, I don't know, guys. So I mean, we just have to wait for a pullback, honestly, because like there's nothing else we could do at this point but wait. And it's we've only been trading for about less than 30 minutes. So I mean, at this point, from experience, I know that price action just has to do its own thing. So I usually come back maybe an hour, 30 minutes later, until I see more weakness. Sometimes I put some alerts on specific on the TDI MACD, and then moving averages. But I mean, for right now, I don't see anything really, anything that I like. Right? I could try to trade a counter trend on the Emerging Dragon with a tight stop loss. I mean, to be honest though, Dow looks choppy on both sides, not just shorts. You know, yeah, it's true that it's much more stronger toward the upside, but it's still choppy. So that's something you really have to be careful with whenever you're taking some entries, right? Because you know you want those executions on those trades to be very fast, to be executed. The edge on the system, statistically about 70%. You know, you'll see that breakout, very fast breakout.
Me, I love my niggas equally. Fucking 9 to 5 niggas with that superstar, nigga. Now I got 'em far less. Call a chick to get that dick. I told 'em caught off, no text. Don't you tell 'em you with me when they be asking where you at. I can't read your mind, gotta say that shit. Should I take your love? Should I take that bill? Got a whole lot of options, cause you know a bitch problem. I'm a hot girl, so you know when shit's hot. Girl, that's what you get for my bitch. Here's what it is, it's a boss my bitch. We go big, cause the much that I hate. It's a hot girl,
I took a long there. It's a very fast counter trend Emerging Dragon off my new system. I'm risking about like less than 10%, 0.10%. So I'm not really tripping about it if I lose on it. It's strange. TradingView is so weird. TradingView, I mean, not TradingView, MetaTrader. That's why, like, NinjaTrader is such the OG platform to trade. But it's also very hard for some beginner traders because, like, it's hard because it's not like where you could risk exactly it. It's all about future contracts. But yeah, how much am I risking? Yes, risk is off. So MACD supporter swing across and goes from spring. RSI and TL looks like it's oversold, so we might see a little shoot back up. So, you know, at this point, I'm only risking about 0.10%, just a quick counter trend trade. It's an Emerging Dragon entry, so Emerging EMA entry, so it's one of my new systems that's coming out. Anyways, though, yeah, I mean, Dow right now choppy, nothing really exciting. Nasdaq, I would want to pull back to the upside, significant, before we take an entry short, but it's in that same level, right? Like, even if you're a range trader, like even if you're like a range trader or whatever, and that is the weirdest thing that's just happened right there. Yeah, it's so strange. It just gapped down and then gapped up. So did my MT4. My MT4 platform just did that as well. Yeah, it's weird. I haven't seen that happening in like what? This whole year. But anyway, so I mean, you can see it in this specific range right over here, how it's been ranging in this specific area. So it's gonna be much more harder to take something short, basically. I'm out right there for a 0.10% loss. But I mean, you can see how it's ranging right there, right? So, I mean, it's just so, it's in the area where, you know, buyers and sellers are trying to come up and come down. So, I mean, to be honest, I don't know if we're going to break toward this level. We'll have to see, but I mean, it's had trouble on Friday, so we'll technically see how strong this move is. But other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm not really looking to trade anything really aggressive today. Yeah, and Dow is just choppy on both sides. So, I mean, I don't know. Unless we see a shift in momentum, then I'm not going to be trading Dow for right now. NASDAQ, maybe I'll look for a long opportunity for a counter trend trade. But, I mean, you know, it's hard to short something whenever it's been in a specific range for quite some time, since Friday. And it's, you know, it's hit it 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, right? It's had a past pattern of rejection off that point. So, I mean, you know, you definitely have to be careful with that in that sense. But yeah, we'll see if we break it. Divergence is still building right now, so with divergence we may shoot shoot back up. But other than that, I mean, that's pretty much it. I'm not looking for anything significant today. No entries for just 1 entry at 0.10% loss, basically break even on my account. I was just looking for that risk reward to the upside, because if we were able to break that EMA, then the risk reward was quite nice between all of the EMAs. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Looks like we're trying to break it. But yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions, and check out the link in the description for the Scalping University. And I'll see you guys on the next video.